Learner. Dr. Chaitali Pawar from Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon, here to present a session on section cutting technique. Learning outcome of this session: after watching this video, you will be able to recall techniques of section cutting and prepare transfer section of crude drug. Let us see what is cross section. A cross section, a surface or a shape exposed by making a straight cut through something, especially at a right angle to an axis, is known as cross section. A cross section obtained by slicing, actually or through imaging technique, the body or any part of body structure in a horizontal plane, a plane that intersect the longitudinal axis at right angle. It is a cross section. Types of section: section is mainly of three types: transverse section, radial longitudinal section, and tangential longitudinal section. Transverse section: when a section is cut at a right angle to long axis like stem, root, leaf, then it is called as cross section or transverse section. Second one is radial longitudinal section, denoted as RLS, when section is cut parallel to the long axis and it passes through the radius of axis, for example stem of plant, then it is radial section or radial longitudinal section. Third one is tangential longitudinal section, that is TLS. The tangential section is the plane perpendicular to long axis of rays and tangential to the growth ring. So, in this way these are the three types of section. Let us see about how to cut section. Firstly, the razor blade and material for section cutting must be floated in water. Take the piece of material for section cutting that should be long enough so it hold easily in hand. So, hold the piece of material between first finger and thumb of left hand and keep the razor in right hand, and in this way take the section or cut the material. After that, staining is important. So, staining, a stain is chemical dye or colorant which combine chemically or physically with cell content to impart color to it. For example, Sudan Red 3, it dissolves in a fixed oil present in oil seed and give the red coloration. Next is types of staining. Staining, it is mainly of two types: simple and differential staining. Simple staining is a staining with only one stain or dye, while in case of differential staining, multiple staining or various stains are also used. So, differential staining is again classified as for identification purpose and for visualization of structure. So, first one is identification purpose. It is again of two types: gram stain and acid fast stain, while the second one for visualization of structure, spore stain and capsule stain. Next is staining procedure. So, for staining of tears, take a clean watch glass and add staining solution to it. Then with the help of brush, transfer the section taken from water to stain solution and keep it in stain solution for 2 to 3 minutes. Then it get for a reaction. Then pick up the section after 2 to 3 minutes and transfer it to watch glass containing plain water, so that whatever excess stain is there along with tears that get washed away, and in this way that section is ready for mounting on slide. So, next one is mounting procedure. In a mounting procedure, when your TS is ready, at that time take a clean glass microslide, then on this slide transfer the section to be mounted with the help of brush. Then add 1 or 2 drops of water on section with the help of dropper and see that the section is submerged in water. After that, take a clean cover slip with the help of forceps and needle, place that cover slip on section gently, and if any air bubble are seen, slightly leave the cover slip and add a drop of water and again replace a cover slip till that air bubble is removed. In this way, after that, suppose excess water is present outside the cover slip, then remove that excess water with blotting paper, and in this way finally that slide is ready for observation. After that, observe that slide under microscope. So, in this way, in this video we will learn about technique of transverse section, then staining, the definition of staining, that is type of staining and procedure of staining, then mounting procedure. So, in this session overall we learn how to prepare the transverse section of crude drug. I think all of you understood this technique of section cutting. So, thank you very much for watching this video.